Got the bee-man Alan fixing to catch a swarm.
Gotta pop it hard. Down. And then pop it hard. Just
Pull
go.
the ladder back some this way.
Alright, hold on. I can do that. Because you want to get it to where,
I think right there.
Maybe it's got towards him.
I would do it just with,
Ladder needs to go.
hold on, Al, hold on. What I would do, I would just use the one hand. I would just use the one hand where your hand is right there.
And just shake it off like that.
And just give it a good jolt, but keep one hand on this box right here so you can, and I wouldn't put your fingers in there. Yeah, I'd just kind of hold it that way to balance it. You got this though, man. You suited up and everything. You might get a sting on the hand. There you go, you good. All right, set them down, Alan. Right there at the base of the ladder, and come grab some frames. You got them?
Where's your phone at?
Right there.
Did any of them get you yet? Don't
No.
shoot 'em.
Alan's a beekeeper now, y'all. He's caught his first swarm of bees.
Gotta make sure you're not squishing them because
Alan's caught his first swarm of bees. Brand new beekeeper. No gloves,
just don't do no,
flip-flops and socks on.
no waving.
If this cat right here ain't gonna make it, nobody will. Yo, Mill Dog, Alan said, eat your heart out, cuz he's a beekeeper now. Yeah, just kind of gently put it on and don't smush his, you know what I mean? Just kind of slide it. Yeah, there you go. Set it down, kind of slide it, and then set it down. You're going to probably mice a few, but
Do we need to
you know what? Hold on a minute. Hold on.
the brush?
Hold on a minute. Take the top back off. We got to get these frames straightened out. We got to do that. Slide them together. Okay, this box is going to be short 2 frames or 1 frame. So we'll have to put a frame in it tomorrow. So yep, and just set it down. If you mice a couple, you mice them. It's like no biggie.
I don't think so.
No, all right. Now go back over Alan and shake that limb again, and then go back out this way. Yeah, because there's a few clumping up.
Grab where bees are.
I got you.
Make sure it's naked, no bees on it.
Yep, just shake it off good.
Shake it good.
There you go.
Now walk away.
See, they'll hit there. A lot of them will probably go back that limb, but they'll figure out where that hive is in a minute. They'll go right to her.
No, they're dropping.
All right.
They're dropping down on it now.
We'll come back later on tonight, and we'll move them to a pallet.
All done.